Hi, I'm Allan Morrow and welcome to my trance melody writing session tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I approached writing the melody that you're hearing in the background and how I get inspired to do this. I'll be giving you different techniques to help you with writer's block and showing you how you can still create great melodies even though you don't play the piano. I'll be showing you how to create different melody patterns and how you can evolve them to give different moods throughout the progression. And I'll also be showing you how you can take different bits of your different melody ideas that you have to bring into the melody that you're writing now, as well as showing you how you can change up the patterns to keep things nice and interesting throughout your melody. So if you find yourself struggling to write melodies and you're getting a little bit overwhelmed by it, then be sure to check out this tutorial at allanmorrowstudios.com.